crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I was making an anniversary card for my friends, and I just wanted to go through it with you because it's a really easy and quick anniversary card. I cut out a bunch of the pieces already so that you didn't have to be bored with all that stuff, and we can just go through it and put it together. This is, on the front of this is a really cool die. This is from Simon Says Stamp, and it's called the Heart Breeze die. And only where the hearts are and the little dots are does it actually cut. So there's no ending point. So as long as you have this lined up correctly, it will not cut your paper in half or cut it there. It'll just put the dotted lines on either side. So it's a really cool way to get, you know, a design, and a see-through design into the front of your card. So I love the way that this turned out. And then the cool thing is that you can back this, you know, with whatever you want. In this case, I have some red glitter paper, because I thought that was really nice, and I did pop it up with foam tape. And then I have a mat for that to help that pop off the page. And then I have a regular A2 card base. This time we are going landscape. I have the inside, I have the envelope, I have a protector, card front protector, so we will go through that. I will list everything I used today in the description box. I do have affiliate links. I highly encourage you to use whatever you have in your stash, but if you are interested in anything I'm using today, that will be listed there for you. So we already went through this. That's the Heart Breeze die. On the front here, I use the Avery Elle. I love this set. There's so many different sentiments in here, but this is the Simple Sentiments. On the front of this card, the envelope actually, I use this beautiful Sketches from Gina K. This was last month's incentive stamp, and it is available now for purchase, so I use this one. And then the Wishing You a Beautiful Day, I stamped that on the inside. And then this gorgeous flower, I used the Simon Says Stamp Fog ink, because it's so light, but you can still stamp over it, and it just adds a great little touch there. And then, so the stamp for that is Blessings of Spring from Gina K. And this is the current incentive set. I just love that floral. So this is the inside of the card. And then on the back of the envelope, I went a little bit fancy with that. I used the Paper Rose Pomegranate paper collection. And so I used a glue stick, and I just glued that on there and then cut around so that the flap is beautiful. Alright, so let's get this card all put together. So we can see what it looks like officially. I'm just going to take off these backs, and then I will skip ahead a little bit so that you don't have to watch me doing all these. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of glue to this to give me a little bit of wiggle room, and it will help because of the glitter paper. It will help it stick on there. Like, is the glue going to cooperate today? Yes, yes. Alright, and give it a little back rub, get that stuck down. Okay, so that looks really pretty so far. I will let you know, I will put all of the measurements for each of the layers in the description box. We're doing a regular A2 size card today, so that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 folded. The panels, the black panels, or actually the white panel, I'm sorry, is 3 3/4 by 5, and I have 2 of those. The red paper is 4 by 5 1/4, and the black is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and I have 2 of those as well. So this white is the same size as this white, and the black is the same as that black. So just to keep things a little simple, let's get this on the front. And my stamp on the back. Okay. So here's our inside, and I will fill this out and then glue this on the inside. I always tend to mess up my inside panels, so I usually write it and then stick it in there, just in case I mess up. I can redo it, that part easily, but that looks so pretty on the inside there. Okay, and then when I mail cards, this one isn't so bad because it doesn't have any gems on it or anything, but to protect the front, I will take a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 or whatever size card I'm making. Just take a panel and emboss it with an embossing folder, and then I place that over the front so that it keeps it protected, and then put that in my envelope. And if you need any guidance on like postage, or you know what the guidelines are and things like that, I do have a postage guideline video that you could check out, but that kind of lets you know, like this, I made this envelope out of 120 pound paper, so it will not bend at all. So in this case I would need to use a non-machinable stamp, and depending on the weight I might need to add an extra ounce stamp on that as well, but I will weigh that before I send it out. So we have our beautiful envelope. I just love the colors in that paper. And then we have our embossed cover piece. And we have our beautiful anniversary card. We've got the red glitter paper and this beautiful heart swoosh, which I just love, and I love the way that the red and the black are together, and it really makes that pop, I think. And then we have our inside, which matches and looks awesome too. So there is our very easy anniversary card project for today. If you found value in the video, I would love to have you as a subscriber if you could hit that button. Join me over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, any crafty sales I come across, so that's a good resource to you. And I think that's it. Again, everything will be listed in the description box if you want to check any of that stuff out. Otherwise than that, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Thanks very much.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.